beautiful sun behind me over there. We'll put you back on. There's my shadow. The shadow says, another day. January 16th, 3:30 in the afternoon, and guess what? It snows. Look, it snows. It's like, oh, see what happens? And it's wet. It's really wet, like it's raining at the same time. You see the snow? I tell you, it gets crazy out here. It's still mild though. Like I'm out here in this shirt, I'm not really cold. It's gonna melt and be gone by tomorrow. The sky's gray. I told you the sky's gray. It's usually what happens, see? Oh well. Hey, it's like about an inch. Oh, it's gonna snow. You never know. January 17th. See? Really mild. Next day, all the snow's pretty well melted. It rained a little bit. Nothing serious. But as you can see, it's almost all gone. You see? Sky's still gray. So we're expecting more. And right now it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's going to get cooler. The nights get cooler. And it might snow. Well, they called for it for Monday, so today's only Saturday. Alright, have a good one. January 18th. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. And there's no snow. See, it's mild. Everything is mild. Skies are still gray though. Might snow later today. But you see, all gone. Everything's good. It's a little bit damp. Yeah. Looking forward to another mild day. Oh my Lord, 19th of January. Look what happened overnight. Look at this. Oh, ho, ho. We got snow. And boy, did we ever get a lot of snow. Man. I mean, it looks like maybe 6 inches. If that, maybe 4. It's so heavy though. You can make a snowman today. Look at my bushes. These things were 30 feet high. They're all, there's ice on them, and they're all folded over. Look at that. You hear that snow crunching? You hear that? Look behind me. See? It's crunching. It's really, really heavy snow. Look, I can make a snowman. We're going to make a snowman today. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I'm glad it didn't snow anymore. If it does, we could shovel the driveway. Wow. It's gorgeous. Really, really mild out here though. The way that's going to be, it's going to melt today. Look at this tree. It's dripping. You see it's melting? I'm melting! It's dripping everywhere. It's like raining under the tree. It's the snow melting and the ice melting on the tree. They said that Nova Scotia had a lot of blackouts overnight. Not in our area, but because of the trees touching the power lines, the heavy snow branches hit the power lines, knocking out the fuses. Wow. Yeah. If it gets colder though, It'd be hard to shovel the driveway because it's really crunchy. There's about probably 4 inches on the driveway. I'm gonna walk right up to it. Plow came out and left a bunch of snow at the end of the driveway. Hopefully, the sun is so hot right now. Hopefully it'll melt before the end of the day. Then I don't have to shovel it. It's actually 9 o'clock in the morning. And gorgeous. Oh, if I have my camera. That's my shadow. Wow, look at that. I can't believe these bushes. I hope they're not broken. The water represents Russia, and there's yellow lights for Ukraine. And I've had it up there for more than a year. Been up even since last year. Okay, we're going in. For Christmas. Ho ho ho! We got snow! We're gonna make a snowman! Let's go. Ohmar the Snowman was a jolly, jolly guy. He was made of snow, but he had a carrot of nose and sunglasses for eyes. Might as well have fun because it'll be gone in 2 hours. They're still shoveling snow. Hey Joe, how you doing? Wave. See, it's not much. It's about 3 inches. Anyhow, there's my buddy. He's gonna live a few hours. A beautiful day. I'm not kidding. Here's a snowman. Now, those clouds are clear. This would all be gone in a couple hours. Maybe I'll last tomorrow. Ho ho ho!